Okay, let's solve this for x. The first step is to get rid of the fractions, and for that I need to find the least common denominator of 2, 3, and 4. Generally, when we have a couple of denominators, a set of denominators like what we have here, I can first find the least common denominator of two of them. For example, here I picked 2 and 4 because I know easily that the least common denominator of 2 and 4 is 4, because 4 is a multiple of 2. And now I can find the least common denominator of that with the other number. And since this 4 is not a multiple of 3 and 3 is a prime number, the least common denominator of these two would be their multiplication, which is 12. So 12 is the least common denominator of 2, 3, and 4. So in the next step, I need to multiply that LCD to each term on the left and also to each term on the right. Okay, so I multiply this 12 to each term. Then I'll get 12 times x divided by 2 plus 12 times x divided by 3 plus 12 times x divided by 4 equals 12 times 13. And if I simplify it, then I'll get 6 here, I'll get 4 here, and I'll get 3 here. That means we have 6x plus 4x plus 3x equals 12 times 13. If I sum up all the terms here on the left, then I'll get 6 plus 4 plus 3, which makes 13x equals 12 times 13. Now I want to isolate x. That means I have to divide each term on the left and each term on the right by 13. Okay, so I divide this by 13 and divide this by 13. This 13 cancels this 13. The same here. What is left is that x equals 12. And this is the final answer.